Hello everyone, my name is Kishan Bajpai and currently I am pursuing PhD in IIT Delhi and right now I am working on silicon heterojunction solar cell. And first of all, I just want to say happy Teachers Day to Atul sir and Alok sir and Satish sir. Atul sir teaches us the quantum mechanics and classical mechanics, and like the way he teaches is a very unique, and how much easily he teaches those complex problems of the quantum mechanics and the classical mechanics in a very easy way, that makes him wonderful teacher. And every time I feel the enjoyable classes of him, and still I will see those lectures and I will feel like I can learn something more. And on the other hand, Alok sir teaches the mathematical physics, statistical mechanics, and electromagnetic. And like he shows him like as a friend, so that make those classes very connecting to us. And that's why the way he delivers the lecture to us becomes very unique, and we feel too much happy and too much enjoy feel in those classes. And like he makes those concept very easy, so we can say both teachers are very perfect in their own subjects. And I will too much admire to them. And on the other hand, I just want to say thank you to Satish sir to share those materials PDFs on time. Like today lecture is completed and he have uploads those lectures on time by evening. So I'm too much thankful to him, and he's also like a teacher to me. And I will say to thank thank you to everyone in Pravegaa. And I will say thank you to add me in Pravegaa family. I will say to thank you to like make too much confident in for the competition exams. I will say thank you to like make motivated me. And I will say thank you to make make me able to reach out at that level right now. And I will say to thank you to help me to qualify those exams like IIT JAM GATE and the JEST. So thank you so much sir. And I will say on this teachers day कि गुरु गोविंद दो खड़े काके लागे पाए और बलिहारी गुरु आपने चेला दियो बताए. And thank you sir, thank you so much.